So we're at the Color Factory. Hey y'all, so we're at the zoo. We're at Coney Island. We're at the 9/11 Memorial. We're at the Untermyer Gardens. Hey y'all, I look a hot mess, but I just came from Elon. We had Odyssey Week. It was such a success. Now I'm on the way to North Carolina. So yeah, this is like the intro to the vlog to North Carolina. So I'll see y'all when I get there. Y'all, it was so cold on the flight, but I just got off. I won't say I just got off, but I got off like a couple minutes ago. And now I'm heading to baggage claim. Hey guys, I look a mess, but last night I crashed and fell asleep, so I was looking to record. So now we're in Manhattan in Times Square, I think. So yeah, we're just gonna walk around and see the scenery because I've never been here. So yeah, catch up with you. So I'm over here getting a caricature. Wave guys. Hi. So I'm back home and whatnot. So I know like in the video you can see of me getting caricatures. So let me show you all the caricatures, bro, because I'm about to get pissed off. That's one caricature. Who is this? This is not me. I'm about to cry. You gotta understand. I'm about to real deal cry because who is this? Like, and then mind you, he claims he looked at me. That's not me. Besides, the caricatures looking kind of ruined my day. It was pretty fun, you know, got to see Times Square and things like that. Did a lot of walking around. I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all, so we're at the Color Factory, and so we're about to go in and things like that. Today is Tuesday, July 23rd. Yeah, and I'll like take y'all with me. Well, see y'all inside. Guys, that's the end of the Color Factory. Later today we're going bowling, so yeah, but for right now, that's it. Hey y'all, it's loud. Right now we're at bowling.
Oh my god, bro. Oh hell no, man. What the?
So guys, I'm back home. It is almost 12 o'clock, but we're in the city that doesn't sleep. I gotta take a COVID test because people want to be disgusting and spread COVID during Odyssey Week. I'm done taking out my hair, but yeah, that's it. See you guys tomorrow. So today was kind of, I wouldn't say it was boring, but it wasn't really interesting because, like, don't get me wrong, I'm always there for a vibe, but like, we just went to dinner to celebrate somebody's birthday, and same thing yesterday. I just did work. I had to do some sexual harassment course and like alcohol for college, so you know, we got something to eat from a Jamaican place. It was very, very good. We just chilled for the day, so you know, nothing much, nothing like, you know, interesting. So I really didn't vlog today because I'm just like, why do y'all want to see me eat? Like, we'll see. Tomorrow we're supposed to be going somewhere, so yeah, because everybody knows I like to eat. I'm a real foodie, bro. Like I will grub on some good food. If the food's not there, you're not gonna see me eat. Other than that, yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, today, because today is now Friday. I'm talking about Wednesday and Thursday, FYI. So yeah, guys, all right, see you later. Like I said, does vegan and Jamaican sound right? Hey guys, we're at some Jamaican Mexican vegan place, y'all. Me personally, I don't think that goes together. That don't even sound right because either you vegan or you meat. But hey, we're all here for new experiences. So hold on, let me show y'all the plate. This is the plate. As y'all can see, it smells good, but does it taste good? That's the real question. No, it's burger. It's a big burger, bigger than McDonald's. See, it's not dry. I'm scared. It's not bad. Yo, guys, we're at the Untermyer Botanical Gardens. And as you see, I'm just like a bum because nobody wants to tell me where we were going. It's nice, and I'll show y'all, give y'all like a little tour of it. There's a lot of people like dressing up for like weddings, quinceañeras, and things like that. I wish I was like part of that culture so I could have me one. Just for the outfit though. But yeah, guys, I'll talk to y'all later. Walk down the trail, and it's very therapeutic, but it's very nice, and I love this guy. Like, it's so nice. Like, y'all would have been getting pictures from me if I dressed accordingly, if I knew where we were going. I'll continue to keep y'all with me and show y'all around, but right now it's a long walk, as y'all can see, and there's more. So I'll holler at y'all later. But hey y'all, it's Sunday. We just came from CZEN or something like that. Some Asian Caribbean restaurant. We went to church earlier today, and this is like our little brunch spot. Now we're off to DUMBO. I'll show y'all when we get there. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys when we get to DUMBO. Hey guys, so we're in DUMBO right now. Right now we're in Brooklyn Bridge Park. Is Monday, the July 29th, and so we're on the subway to go to the Freedom Towers, like / 9/11. Guys, and I'm back. So we're at the 9/11 Memorial, and we're gonna go inside. Museum, so now we're on our way back to Brooklyn so we can find something to eat because we don't know anywhere to eat around here, and we're not gonna risk it. So yeah, right now we're in Oculus just exploring and things like that, and hopefully we can take the train station from Oculus, but if not, then we just gotta do what we gotta do. But yeah, talk to you guys later. So hey guys, we're at
night market.
Yeah, there you go.
All right.
So yeah, that's where we're at, and I'm finna go take y'all with me as we try foods and things like that. All right, see ya. You don't understand how excited I am. Like, bro, one thing that gets me excited is some good food, and I finally got my tonguru, my fried ice cream. Now I gotta try fruit stand-nos. That's it for today, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Morning guys, it is Wednesday, July 31st, And so we're on the way to the Bronx Zoo. Got some Dunkin' Donuts, you know, the bacon, egg, and cheese with the hash browns. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all when we get there. Hey y'all, so we're at the zoo. It's their birthday. There's a lot of people here because on Wednesdays it's free entry. But if you want to do like the rides and things like that, it's not free. Hey, so it is August 1st. We're at Rise Playland and we're gonna go see what we can get into. I ride rides, but they don't ride rides. But so you know, I'm gonna have to take it out by myself, but it's okay, it's okay. All right, talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so we're back home. Got some Chinese, well, home. I got some Chinese food. Sesame chicken, it is hot. So yeah, that was the day. Playland was pretty decent. It's I'll say it's mostly for like kids and things like that. But yeah, talk to y'all later. So we're at IHOP. We have breakfast. 124, so like brunch. So yeah, then later today we have things to do. Oh, and this right here, this is good. It's a strawberry iced tea. All right, talk to you later. We're at Coney Island. Keep the cyclone behind me. Hold on. Yeah, that's supposedly some famous ride that's in the area. And then right here we have the game, things like that. Because like it rained, it stopped raining, now it's raining again. Like look at that, it is pouring down. So we're gonna have to come again another day. We just did before we left we did go-karts. I love go-karts. I'm a pro when it comes to go-karts. So yeah, just look at it, just look at the rain. So I'll see y'all guys, see you later. We're at Chop Cook Cake for a lunch bake decorating class at City. It's just us, so yeah, like, oh, and then fit check. All right, I'll see you guys in there.
And then you're gonna take the other hand and it's gonna guide it just a little bit, okay? Then from there, I'm gonna put it on the cake board and I'm gonna squeeze about $1/2 worth of icing so that I can get that first cake to stick. So keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Go, 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 go.
We just got back from the cake decorating class and we went to the Jamaican restaurant again, and this time it's called, I know the name, it's called the Gold Spoon. So if you're in New York, in the Bronx area, Gold Spoon, it is clutch for Jamaican food. Like, it's so good. It is August 7th and I'm about to get my hair done, as you can see. So yeah, talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so the hair is done. I ain't gonna lie, at first I was so like scared because I'm like, what are these loops for? They turned out pretty good and it's really tight, so I have to let it, you know, loosen up. I went with a different color. I didn't go for blue, red, or purple, which is shocking. Yeah, and I feel like it looks good on me, you know, but it needs to loosen up because it's tight. I'm like, my neck, like, it's not my neck more so, it's more so like, yeah, that's the hair. And I was supposed to leave for North Carolina tomorrow, which is Thursday, but it's a severe state of emergency because hurricane something, I don't know, but it's just a state of emergency, so weather's bad. So we're supposed to be leaving Saturday. So yeah, that's a little update for you guys. I guess we'll see how that goes. All right, talk to y'all later. Good afternoon, guys. It is like 4 o'clock. I know I woke up late because yesterday we drove from New York to North Carolina. I was gonna record and vlog, but I really didn't feel like it. And then like I put my camera in my bag and they put it up in a little storage container, so I didn't feel like doing all that. But yeah, today is a new day, and yeah, this is the hair. I don't know if I'm liking it because again, what are these loops, bro? Like that was just so random to me. Like why? But maybe it'll grow on me eventually. But that is it. Like that's literally the end of the vlog. Like thank you guys for my little journey, for watching my little journey in North Carolina and New York. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.